Hello and welcome to Seb Finance. Today, we're going to be discussing everything you need to know about making money. Whether you're looking to advance your career, start a side hustle, or invest your savings, we'll cover all the essentials. But first, a quick disclaimer. The advice in this episode is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. You should always consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment or financial decisions. The first thing we need to talk about is earning money. When it comes to earning more money, one of the best things you can do is to acquire new skills and certifications in your field. This can make you more valuable to your employers and increase your chances of being promoted or earning a higher salary. Look for courses or certifications that are relevant to your field and that can help you develop new skills and expand your knowledge. Another way to increase your earning potential is to take on more responsibilities at work. Look for opportunities to go above and beyond your job description, take on new project assignments, or lead a team. This can demonstrate your value to your employer and make you a more attractive candidate for a promotion or a raise. When negotiating a raise or promotion, be sure to prepare a list of your accomplishments and contributions, and to make a compelling case for why you deserve a higher salary or more responsibilities. If you're looking for additional sources of income, consider starting a side hustle or freelance gig. Look for opportunities that leverage your skills or passions, such as writing, graphic design, or consulting. You can find freelance work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or start your own business or blog. Keep in mind that starting a side hustle or freelance gig takes time and effort, so be sure to balance it out with your other responsibilities. The other thing we need to talk about is saving money. One of the most important things you can do to save money is to create a budget and track your expenses. This can help you identify areas where you are overspending and make adjustments to your spending habits. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to help you stay on track, and be sure to review your budget regularly. Another way to save money is to cut back on unnecessary expenses. Look for areas where you can reduce your spending, such as eating out less often, buying fewer clothes, or canceling subscriptions you don't use. You can also save money on bills by negotiating with service providers or switching to more affordable options. Finally, consider setting up a savings account or investments portfolio to save and grow your money. Look for accounts or funds that offer competitive interest rates or returns, and make regular contributions to help your savings grow over time. You can set up automatic contributions to make saving a regular habit. The third thing we need to look at is investing your money. Investing your money is an important step towards building wealth over the long term. While saving money in a bank account might provide some level of security, the returns are typically quite low. By investing your money, you have the potential to earn higher returns and grow your wealth more quickly. There are many types of investments to consider, each with its own risk and potential rewards. Some investment options include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and real estate. It's important to research each of these options and understand the risks involved before investing your money. Before you start investing, it's important to understand your risk tolerance and investment goals. Your risk tolerance refers to your willingness to accept risk in your investments in exchange for potential returns. Your investment goals might include saving for retirement, buying a home, or simply growing your wealth. Once you have a clear understanding of your risk tolerance and investment goals, you can make more informed decisions about where to invest your money. That said, one of the keys to successful investing is building a diversified portfolio. This means investing in a mix of different assets and securities, such as stocks and bonds and real estate, to spread your risk and maximize your potential returns. Look for opportunities to invest in different sectors or industries, and consider working with a financial advisor to help you build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. It is important to monitor your investments regularly and make adjustments as needed. This might mean rebalancing your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation, or selling off underperforming investments and reinvesting in more promising opportunities. Keep in mind that investing always involves some level of risk, So be sure to have a long-term perspective and avoid making knee-jerk reactions based on short-term market fluctuations. It's also important to understand the tax implications of your investments as well. Depending on the type of investments and how long you hold it, you might be subject to capital gains taxes or other taxes. Be sure to research the tax implication of your investments and consult with a tax professional if needed. It's worth emphasizing the importance of starting to invest as early as possible. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow and compound over the long term. Even small amounts of money invested early on can turn into significant wealth over time. So, if you're looking to put these investment strategies into actions, here are some of the steps you can take. Research different investment options and determine your risk tolerance and investment goals. Start investing in a diversified portfolio that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Monitor your investments regularly and make adjustments as needed. But most importantly, consider working with a financial advisor or tax professional for personalized guidance. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Seb Finance. We'll see you in the next episode. But before you go, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any investment tips, any financial advice, and everything else you've learned about money, feel free to leave it in the comment section.